just got home. I'm super excited because guess what? We got a package. I'm pretty sure it's my puzzle book for adults, spiral bound notebook that I got from Lulu. Let's go to the desk. Take out the old box cutter, open it up. Let's see how it turned out. I honestly can't say enough how much I love that they come in corrugated boxes. Big thumbs up there to Lulu for delivering my book. And I know right off the top that there's not gonna be any issues with it as far as getting beat up. So let's see how this turned out. Come on. Loving it. Nice, thick coil bound. I like that. It's not metal, it's plastic. So it doesn't like hurt like when you down to the edges. That's a big deal for me. You know, because a lot of the puzzle books that I do are for kids, and I want to make sure that it's not something that's going to hurt them. Back cover turned out nice. All right, real quick. Yeah, looks good. The only thing I would probably do differently is I might actually go to the 80-pound coated paper, just because I did print on front and back. And this way, I mean, it's not super thin. It's about the same thickness as a KDP paper. This is the 60-pound. But I probably would go, if I'm going to do front and back again, I probably would go with the 80-pound coated. But other than that, it turned out really nice. Kudos, Lulu. Well, there you go. Just wanted to do a quick Lulu Spiral Bound book unboxing. Wanted to let you see how it turned out. I am super pleased with it. Again, if you want to get yours, you want to go create your own spiral bound or any other kind of book with Lulu, just head on over to kwheelerbooks.com/spiral. And don't forget to use the promo code Keith15 to get 15% off your print orders. And that is good up until December 31st, 2021. Until next time, remember to write right.